Attorney Jimmy Bondoc, a known Duterte ally, is back against the complaint filed against him at the Department of Justice regarding his Facebook post stating Republic of Mindanao coming soon. Because of that single post, he now faces complaints for inciting to sedition and inciting to rebellion. Kai Villan reports.
Attorney Jimmy Bondoc, a prominent Duterte ally, filed his defense at the Department of Justice after the PNP-CIDG slapped him with complaints of inciting to sedition and inciting to rebellion. The charges stem from his social media post stating, Republic of Mindanao coming soon. According to Bondoc, he received the complaint on December 26, 2025, and in his counter affidavit, he is requesting that the complaint be dismissed. He argued that it is wrong to accuse him of rebellion, asserting that the post in question is merely an exercise of his freedom of speech.
Alam naman po natin na ang freedom of speech is very valuable, no? At yung mga kasong ganito, while I do respect all of the parties involved, and I want to emphasize that, no, I respect all the parties involved. Trabaho lang yan, no? Pero hindi po pwede na lahat na lang po ng mga maliliit na ungot ng mga taong bayan sa Facebook ay sasampan ng reklamong ganito. Kasi ako po, abogado ako, may kakayahan naman akong sagutin ito. Pero iniisip ko po kahit ako, abogado, naantala ako naabala po ako, no, kahit maliit. Kawawa po yung mga iba na nagbibigay lang ng saloobin.
Bondoc further explained that the call for secession did not originate from him. Rather, his post was merely an acknowledgement of the growing buzz surrounding the creation of a separate republic for Mindanao, a call that he says has long been championed by its residents.
I do not agree that the administration or any administration should be so sensitive as to file cases against little people.
Just for the record, what made you say that?
Because at that time, when there were rallies and apparently parang they were not as effective as had been hoped by the people arranging them, no, organizing them, lumakas po yung ugong sila Congressman Barzaga at marami pa pong iba na sunod-sunod nag-post about the possible secession of Mindanao, which is what we know is a centuries-old sentiment, no, of the Southerners, no. So, in-acknowledge ko lang, nasabi ko, alam nyo, dahil dito sa parang nangyayari sa ating bayan, baka lumakas na yung Republic of Mindanao na panawagan na yan.
Bondoc is the sole respondent in the complaint, and the charges are now submitted for resolution following the preliminary investigation by the DOJ. Reporting for News 9 World, Kai Villan, SMNI News.